JB Weld did not hold up, boys. Gonna have to buy a new fucking door handle, man. Jeez. Cold, man.
Hello.
What are we doing today, man?
Well, your tires are pretty low, and when they get really low, you scrape really bad. So I think we're gonna spray them with soapy water and see where they leak, and then try and fix them. We'll do it at my work though, because we have a time machine.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Volvo.
Yeah.
And see what's going on with these fronts, because yeah, they lose air pretty bad, and then like literally a quarter inch makes like a huge difference.
Yeah. Well, you also run at 45 psi.
Yeah. Yeah, I put way too much in because I know they leak, so then I still have air. But yeah, cut to Ben's work, I guess. It's not gonna work because I didn't fucking hang on. All right, Ben, we're back. We're at Ben's workplace.
Yes.
Volvo. Buddy's the fucking parts manager here.
JDM. Volvos.
Hell yeah, brother. Audio is probably gonna be absolute shite, but that's all right.
It's all wrong.
What are we doing today, man? Pulling some.
Yeah.
Got Ben working on my car.
Well, you're saying it like once you get to a certain PSI, it just scrapes like crazy, right?
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
It's crazy how big of a difference it makes, but like, as soon as they lose a little bit of air, the car just scrapes on anything, man.
Yeah.
So we're here. Ben invited the boys out. Gonna bead seal these today.
Yeah.
Film out his work.
So it works. Hopefully we get like all 20 matches out of here, because that was so bad.
So many in here. Oh, I forgot about that.
It's gonna smell like Axe as soon as we open it.
Oh yeah. What's up, dude?
Should we do one wheel at a time and then?
Yeah, should we just leave this one on? Just for safeties?
Sure.
All right, buddy. Ben's place of employment. Alright, Ben, what's step one, man?
You beat him?
Some of that action?
Yeah. Well, I guess we don't really need to fully de-rim it.
Yeah, true.
Oh, I guess to do the valve stem though, we're gonna have to.
Oh, yeah. Looking a bit zoinked in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think it's leaking from like right in there.
Yeah, because there's like two rubber things and then it like double nuts itself on.
Looks like it's broken. It is broken.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's not even on, man. It's like...
Yeah. Oh, that's totally what it's
cattywampus as shit, man.
We could try like cutting one of these up and making a gasket, but...
True. Yeah. What if we just like... Are we gonna see this? Or if we just like cut this off?
Yeah.
Would that work? You think?
Probably.
Mods, man.
The older tires are like super non-flexible.
Yeah, these are like old tires from that we stole out of Petro, I think. Like in the back.
There we go.
See any matches in there, man? Got the problem right there, you think?
Yeah. Oh, it kind of looks...
Doesn't look that bad, but like...
Yeah. Could be better. Clearly it was leaking. So.
Pull it out, boys. Put a new one in. Fire it back on. Shoot you back on the RX7. Oh, yeah. You probably can't hear shit, but it's alright.
It's a weird operation. There we go.
Man, this place would be really good lighting for like an edit of your car. Like right there with the part.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
I don't know if we need the bead seal or the bead blaster for this one.
Are we gonna seal it still?
Oh, true. We should do that.
I'm not sure if you guys can hear. Put a new valve stem in, new seal, I mean, because it was leaking. Now we're gonna bead seal it, just for safety's sake.
Yeah.
Holy hell.
This stuff is horrible.
How bad is it just like tar? Oh man. 3 headies, man?
Yeah. We'll just put like a bunch of PSI in it, and then once we do the other one, we'll just check again with the soap.
How much did you put in?
I gotta put the valve in after that.
Man, this thing's looking real inflated, man. Yeah, that's what I normally run them on. 45.
45?
Yeah, dude, because they leak, so I was like, yeah, fuck it, I'll just put way too much in, and then after they leak, I'll still have enough.
You can try balancing them too if you want. You get like, does it shake at all, or?
Wicked cool, dude.
Do you have any more people interested in the Civic yet?
No one's gonna buy it, it's so depressing. I'm gonna siphon the gas out though. There's a half tank. I'm not selling it with a half tank. It's like 40 bucks.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pull the feed line, run it into a jerry can, and just turn the fuel pump on, and pump it empty, man.
Pump it till it's empty.
You put it in the RX7. That's like a full tank, man.
Directly into the RX7.
Just mix in some two-stroke and dump it in, and good to go. Well, hell yeah, dude. One down. One to go. I'm right on. No more leakage, eh?
Hopefully not.
What are you wearing, man?
New merch.
Holy shit, it's looking clean, man.
Look at that.
Give it a spin. Dude. I think that's the best,
I think so.
best stuff ever. I don't
Definitely. It feels so good.
know. Nice and soft.
It's definitely soft.
Hell yeah. Quality
It's
stuff.
like the coarseness from the, like my shirt to the skin. The
good.
skin is rougher than the shirt.
It's a good ratio.
Yeah, definitely.
Good stuff, good stuff. It's gonna be available soon, boys. Give it a spin again. Oh yeah. It's looking sick.
It's good.
We're out here in the fucking middle of bumfuck nowhere taking pictures.
Bushwhacking.
Yeah, we're bushwhacking. We hiked it all the way. There's not even a trail, boys. We just macheted through all that.
Dude. That's a clean looking shirt, man.
It is a clean looking shirt.
Give it a spin. Holy shit. 15s and under. Got the XR4 on there, the long champ. Moist Boy since 2017. Man. I think this might be our best shit we've ever done.
Definitely. I think so.
Got the soft qualities, man. The printed tag on the inside of the shirt.
Oh yeah.
See if we can get a shot of that. You get the idea.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude.
Coming soon. You gotta follow the boys. You gotta follow Ben. And you gotta follow Moist Boys for all the updates because the drop's coming soon. We're just waiting on some more things. Fucking going, man. It's gonna be sick.
Oh yeah.
Well, buddy, what do you think of that?
I think it's good.
Yeah?
I like them. I'd buy one. So should you.
You should. You should definitely swipe up when the time is right, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know when we're gonna drop, because, yeah. Either like late August or like mid-September. It depends when we get everything. That's the video. We fixed the front tires. Thanks to Ben, but he was working hard at Volvo.
Yeah, we
Going in.
started here and then fixed them and then came right back to the exact same spot.
Yeah, we had to take pictures, you know. It definitely was not staged at all. I did not forget to film an intro to the video. It's alright. Yeah, Ben was working hard on his day off, you know. Great guy. We're just gonna take some pictures of our cars. And then that's it, you know?
Sounds
I
good.
don't know how long this video was either. Probably 10 minutes. I mean, it's always a bunch of bullshit in our videos, so we can stretch it to 10, maybe 12, I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you like the video, subscribe. If you like the cars, subscribe. And stay tuned for more.
That's right.